Okay, in this video, so we are going to install Anaconda for Windows distribution. So this is my Windows machine here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a browser and I'm going to point to anaconda.com. So it opens the pages for us. So here there's a free download button. Click on the download button here. Okay, so here it is going to ask for an email ID. Like if you want to get updates from Anaconda distribution about their updates or upcoming projects, so you can give your email ID and click on submit. So there it will redirect to your download pages. In my case, I'll just keep registration here. So here on the download page, you can see there are two different versions you can see. One is called distribution installers and another one is called Anaconda installers. Okay, so there is a small difference between these two. Distribution installers install a base environment with all the optimized packages from Anaconda, and Anaconda installers also creates a base environment, but it doesn't install all the packages, which is not required. Okay, so in my case, I'll just go with distribution installer directly. I'll click over here. It is going to take some time, so it is showing about 5 minutes to download. So until then, what I'll do is I'll just gonna pause this video so that I can come back and then continue. Well, it is going to complete the download here. So it is almost 951 MB for Windows machines. Okay, so now we can see it is going to be in the download directory. So what we can do is we can right click and we can open this. So if you need a run as administrator or run as the permissions, you can run with those permissions actually. So then automatically it will be pop-up window just like installer window. So just click next and I agree with the license, and then you can see who you are going to install with. So in my case, I'm going to install for all the users of my machine. Like in your case, if you're only the person you're going to use, you can just click on just me. So then say S. Okay, and it is going to show like where exactly it is going to install. It is going to install in program data directory under C disk actually. So in my case, it is going to take 5.2 GB. So I'll be okay with it. So I'll just click on next. So then it is asking for create shortcuts. Just click on install. Okay. So it is taking some time. Yeah, finally it completed. It took some couple of minutes. So then I'll just click on next. Okay. So here they are offering Anaconda Cloud. So the recent days they have launched Anaconda Cloud so that you can start coding on the cloud itself using their notebooks, basically Jupyter Notebooks. Okay, so I'll just launch Anaconda and getting started with the distribution. Okay, I'll just click on finish. Yeah. So yes, so this is a welcome page after installation. That's totally okay. And right now our Anaconda Navigator is launching. So well, you can see the Anaconda Navigator is up right now. Okay, so it is going to open a dialog here. So if you want to store any repositories in a cloud of their own, like Anaconda Cloud, so you can just click on sign in. Otherwise, close this dialog. In my case, I'm just closing. So here it is reminding us to update to 2.6.6. So I'll just say okay, no, remind me later. Okay, I'll just click on this close button here. Okay, so you can see several applications over here like PyCharm, Anaconda AI Navigator, Jupyter Lab and Spider. So there are a lot of applications are available like Orange 3 and Glovis and RStudio, everything. So in my case, I'll be going to use Spider and as well as Jupyter Lab. So, and if you want to see about environments, you can see this is the environment. So in this environment, a lot of packages has been installed. Some of them have been optimized by Anaconda only. So that is what base root is all about. Okay, so if you want to start Spider IDE, so you just click on launch icon here. So this is our Spider IDE. So majorly we'll be going to work over here. So in this one, it just follows just like a MATLAB kind of a IDE style. So there's a console here. Here we are going to write our scripts, and here we can look into debugging. We can, if we declare some variables over here, we can see, we can explore what it contains and all those things. Okay. So, and at the same time, so we have another thing called Jupyter Lab. So it is a browser based editor, or a notebooks we say. So in couple of our training, so we're going to use Jupyter Lab also. So if you click on that, so it is going to ask like which browser that you want to start with. So in my case, I'll be just using with my Microsoft Edge. I'll just click once so that it will open a Jupyter Lab in the browser based thing. Okay, so great. So right now we got to know like what are the how to install how to install Anaconda basically on Windows machines.